These are the ice creams that I will be trying today. I will show you also how it looks inside the ice cream. So these are Quality and Nestlé ice creams. Hi friends, today I'm here once again to try some ice creams that are made here in the region. So the first is Quality ice cream and the second one is Nestlé ice cream. So these ice creams are not the branded ones that's known worldwide, but since it's hot, I'd like to try these ice creams and see if it's a good alternative also for those who just want to beat the heat by eating something cold like ice creams. So please stay with me as I do my food review for these ice creams. So the first ice cream that we will try is this strawberry flavored ice cream from Quality. We'll open it and see how it looks inside. So this is how it looks inside. It's not full. It's like there's like half an inch distance from the line. I can really smell the smell of strawberry. It's like a soft serve. It's very soft. It's also creamy. And it's not that sweet. No, see the distance between the topmost layer and the one that's filled with ice cream is about half an inch. So this top was not filled to the brim. The ice cream is very soft and you could really taste the taste of the strawberry. Next we'll try this Quality chocolate ice cream. This is how it looks inside. It's filled to the brim, unlike the smaller one. This one is also so soft and creamy. And you could taste the taste of the chocolate also. It's also very soft, like a soft serve. So for the chocolate and the strawberry of Quality, it's not that sweet actually. And it's very soft and light, both the strawberry and this chocolate ice cream. Next, we'll try this vanilla flavor from Nestlé. This is how it looks inside. As you can see, it's also not full to the brim, but this has more contents compared to the Quality ice cream. This ice cream is more firm, but like the Quality, this one is very light and soft. But unlike the Quality ice cream, this one is very light and also creamy. This is a little bit sweeter than the Quality brand. I could taste the taste of the vanilla on this one, but it's like an aftertaste. It's also like a soft serve. So maybe the local ice creams are similar to the soft serves. So next one is the chocolate flavor. So this is how the chocolate flavor looks inside. I'll try it. As I mentioned earlier, this is more firm than the Quality ice cream. I'm still trying to find the chocolate flavor. The Quality chocolate ice cream has more chocolate flavor than this one. Actually, this is like colored brown but very bland in flavor. this is the Nestlé chocolate ice cream. Here's another ice cream. This is like a popsicle from Quality. This is like a pistachio popsicle. So we'll try it out also. This popsicle is very creamy, very thick and rich. And immediately on the first bite, I was able to taste the taste of cardamom. And also, there are small bits of pistachio in this one. So this is a good popsicle. The texture of this ice cream is very thick compared to the previous 4 ice creams that I tried. It's also very milky and creamy. Plus the one that's really standing in flavor is the cardamom. So if you like cardamom in your drinks, you will also like this ice cream. This ice cream is also slightly sweeter than the other 4 ice creams I tried. This ice cream is very interesting because it has other texture, that of the pistachio. And whenever you bite into the pistachio, the flavor of the pistachio comes out. So not only texture but also more flavor. So having tried 5 flavors of ice cream, which one is my favorite? Actually, I think for the flavor, the best is the last one, the one with the pistachio, because it had added texture and it's very thick, creamy, and milky. Flavor-wise, it's the best ice cream. But I really don't like cardamom much. But even if I didn't like cardamom, that was for me the best one. The next one is the Quality chocolate ice cream flavor. The flavor of the chocolate is not overpowering. It's subtle, but you could really taste the taste of the chocolate. And next is the strawberry, also from Quality. The fourth I would choose is the vanilla of Nestlé. And last is the chocolate. Well, if you find these 2 brands in the supermarket, please just buy the Quality ice cream, because for me it tastes better. Although it is like a soft serve, it is also creamy, and it actually all of it is not that sweet. But I didn't like the taste of the Nestlé, especially the chocolate, because actually it's very bland. It's like it's just a brown ice cream without any flavor. So if you're in a mood to have ice cream but you don't have the budget for the branded ones, just try the Quality ice cream, because I think it will help cool you off, but it won't also be heavy on the pocket. But also another downside is that the Quality ice cream, the one that is in a smaller tub, also was not filled to the brim. Usually it should be full. So that's the only con also of the Quality ice cream. But the big one is filled to the brim. So I hope my review helped you. And if ever you find these ice creams and you have to choose between Quality and Nestlé, please just choose the Quality. And also I have tried the strawberry and the chocolate flavor. They're both good. So if you find these flavors, just choose these 2 flavors. So I hope you liked our video for today. If you liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I will have a new upload. So until my next video, this has been Lorraine reminding you that God loves you. Bye-bye!